My name is Qi Hongkai, and today my topic is modeling phosphorus in environment, and here is my reviewers. Firstly, as you know, in science and research, there are two ways to approach to it. The first one is experiment, and the second one is model. And model is exactly what I will address today. And there are three types of model: statistical model, process-based model, and export coefficient models. And for most agriculture application, we use the process-based models. And you may ask, what is exactly a process-based model? As you can see, this is a phosphorus cycle which exists in the nature or in soil. And as you can see, there are many processes such as fertilizer and plant uptake. And we divide into two phosphorus pods. And as I said, this is phosphorus process which exists in nature. And we human beings transfer process into hundreds of equations. And what is model? Model is to combine the equations with computer language such as Java, and then to develop the executable program, which is also called model. Okay. And after development of model, we need to apply the model into research. So many models have interface and many do not have, such as this WinEPAC. You can see it is a clear interface, and we need to input our data here. You can see we can choose many kinds of data with the items, and for example, the soil. We can, as you can see, we can input our values such as organic matter and other information into this model. It is really easy. While other models do not have interface, such as this. This is a model which I am using. As you can see, it is a DOS-based model, and this is the two input files. As you can see, the first file is the hydrology parameter, and the second one is nutrient parameter, and the 79 is CSC runoff curve number, and that is the soil information of different layers, and this is the two fertilizer data. Yeah, and after development of model, we need to apply the model into use. And there are three steps. The first is use, and second is calibration, and third is validation. And there are many agriculture models: the DAPT, AGMPS, SWOT, EPIC, Macro, and Leach. They are all used in phosphorus modeling. And firstly, let's talk about the model use. Then we get the data from field or experiments, such as the climate data, the initial condition, the hydrology parameters, the tile drain data, the crop data, the boundary condition, soil data, and management practice. We need to collect all the data and all the parameters and input them into the model. And after the input process, we get our result from the model simulation. And with this result, as you can see, we compare with the measured data. And as you can see, this is the result before calibration. It is not very coincide. But after calibration, you can see this is a very beautiful picture. The lines are agreed with, are very well agreed with. And here is another example of calibration. This is the calibration of phosphorus loss. And as you can see, beautiful pictures as well. And after the calibration process, we need to validate our calibration result. That is to use other data to validate our calibrated parameters and to do sensitivity analysis. So what is the aim of model? It is to predict the future and to simulate the climate change impacts and to find how to increase our crop yield. And it sounds interesting, right? That's it. Here's my references, and thanks.